Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and let me show you how to keep browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome, right here. Then tap on the More icon, which is 3.1 in the right upper corner, and then select History. Here just click on Clear Browsing Data, and you've got some basic and advanced options. So under Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also Cached Images and Files. And then under Advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, out of uniform data, and also site settings. So just mark down those that you would like to delete if you would like to leave out of uniform data smoothly unmarked and it will not be deleted, but I would like to remove everything. And the last step is to select the time range, so just click here and select the period of time from which you would like to delete the history. I will choose all time and then click on Clear Data. And that's it, you've just cleared Chrome data. Congrats! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.